You know that Slack message. The one that arrives at 4:47 on a Friday afternoon and quietly torches your weekend. Hours lost chasing numbers. Same story every Monday until now. With Kaiya Missions, the way it works is that you describe the mission, connect your sources, structured and unstructured all in one place. AI suggests the analysis steps, or you define your own, set the cadence, publish it, and then every morning or every Monday, the full deck arrives in your inbox, built overnight, ready to present in a polished presentation mode. When the question changes, Kai investigates across all your data, delivering findings your team can act on.
For too long, the decisions waited on work. Opportunities did not. Now you set the objective. Kaiya Missions delivers finished product ready to present in matter of minutes, not weeks.